Imagine a man with no money, no savings, no balance, nothing in his bank account. Now imagine this. A bank is making money from him. Not from rich people, not from investors, not from billionaires. From him. How can a bank earn money from someone who has no money? I don't even have money, so how are they earning from me? Today, I'll show you something strange, something quiet, something invisible. How banks make money from people who are already struggling. Most people think banks work like this. You give them money, they keep it safe, they give loans, they earn interest. Simple. But that's not the full story. Banks don't need you to be rich. They just need you to exist in the system. Because modern banks don't run on money. They run on systems, rules, fees, habits, human behavior. You open a bank account. You feel responsible, adult, safe. But the moment you open an account, the system starts earning. Not later, immediately. Maintenance fees, SMS charges, ATM fees, minimum balance rules. Tiny numbers, small amounts, but they never stop. You don't have much money, so the bank punishes you for it. Low balance fee, penalty charges, service fees. You are poor, so you pay more. You spend a little extra, just a little. That's called overdraft. Sounds helpful, but it's not kindness. It's a business model. They charge interest, fees, daily penalties. You go negative, they go positive. You borrow to survive. Then you pay fees. Then you borrow again. Then more fees. Round and round. You're not stuck by accident. You're stuck by design. Banks don't feed on wealth. They feed on movement, transactions, transfers, late payments, mistakes, stress decisions. Struggle creates behavior. Behavior creates profit. They don't rob you loudly. They drain you quietly. You don't lose money in one big moment. You lose it slowly. So what do? You learn. You slow down. You question fees. You understand systems. You stop emotional decisions. You build control before comfort. The system makes money from confusion, from silence, from ignorance. But it loses power when people understand it. This channel is not for entertainment. It's for awareness, control, and freedom. Subscribe. Because knowing the system is the first step to escaping it.